Welcome back to your Toolbox Tutors 2-minute drill, and this will be example 3 of graphing linear functions in slope-intercept form. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to graph this linear function. In order to identify the parts we have in this linear function, we'll put slope-intercept form above this. Here we have m representing our slope and b representing our y-intercept. In this example, we have no number representing our b. And since we have no number, this represents 0 in math. So our y-intercept in this example will be 0, 0. So we'll put our first point here. Next, our slope, -3/2, tells us that from the y-intercept, we go down 3 and right 2. So from the y-intercept, we go down 3 and right 2. We can also go down 3 again and right twice. To get more points over to the left side of the y-intercept, we'll switch this slope to the opposite. So instead of going 3 down and 2 right, we'll go 3 up and 2 left, making the 2 negative. So from the y-intercept, we go 3 up and 2 to the left. And then once again, we can go 3 up and 2 to the left. So here we have 5 points on the line y equals -3/2x.